Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. मेरा नाम है तनीषा. In case you're watching for the very first time, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. So I've faced a lot of hair fall in the past. मैंने इस channel में बहुत बार बातें की है मेरे hair fall problem के बारे में. You know, sometimes it's just not enough to take just a good diet. Like I was definitely following up a very good diet, and that's what I'm doing right now as well. But this is not enough. You know, when you are in a busy schedule and all of that, तो अपना ध्यान इतना हम नहीं रख पाते हैं. You know, डाइट पे इतना ध्यान नहीं दे पाते हैं कि सारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स मिल रहे हैं कि नहीं and everything. And being a bachelor, being somebody who is not staying with the family and all of that, तो we often like skip meals या फिर बाहर का जंक खा लेना and all of that. So because of all of these reasons, there is first of all lack of nutrients in the body, which has to be met otherwise through supplements and all of that, which I usually take in the form of gummies and candies and all of that you know. इसके पहले मैंने बात की थी Biotin gummies की, that was from the Saturn brand, and again actually I'm using one of their products which I'm going to talk about in this video, which is going to be their multivitamin gummies for women. तो usually कैसा होता है ना, ऐसे टैबलेट फॉर्म्स में जो आती है टैबलेट्स वगैरह जो मल्टीविटामिन्स की, that is very gross. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेस्ट बहुत ख़राब होता है उसका, एंड जब वो एक दवाई वाला पैटर्न बन जाता है ना, तो मन नहीं करता है कि रोज़ रोज़ इंसान खाए. एंड दैट इज़ वेयर विटामिन gummies are super important and a very easy way to include in your everyday life. This is the multivitamin gummies for women by Saturn, and this is powered with multivitamins, zinc and folic acid. First of all, let me just show you the packaging. This comes in this kind of a packaging which is super cool. जैसे ही you will open it up, तो यहाँ पे proper एक sealing होगी. The best part is that these gummies actually come in a package like this. तो कुछ इस तरह के छोटे छोटे पैक्स में होते हैं. सारी गमीज इंडिविजुअली ऐसे पैकेट्स में रहती है. तो दिस इज सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. क्या होता है ना, ये जो गमीज रहती है वो विदाउट पैकेजिंग की आती है, तो एक दूसरे में चिपक जाती है, या फिर समर का सीजन है तो इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक स्टिकिंग टू ईच अदर एंड मेल्टिंग. इट्स काइंड ऑफ वेरी इरिटेटिंग एंड ग्रोस. मतलब वो यूज़ करने का फिर मन नहीं करता है. इन केस बॉटल खुली रह जाए तो फिर वो बहुत ज़्यादा मॉइस्ट भी हो जाता है. एंड अगर आप कहीं बाहर भी जा रहे हो तो यू कैन जस्ट टेक 1-2 गमीज विथ यू इन द लगेज बैग इंस्टेड ऑफ टेकिंग द होल बॉटल. सो इट इज super travel friendly. So you need to take one gummy every day. That's it, with one of the meals or however it is prescribed if you have a doctor or something like that. So इसमें मल्टीविटामिन में आपको मिल जाएगा विटामिन ए, विटामिन सी, विटामिन ई. तो विटामिन ए, सी एंड ई विल help you promote the overall wellness of your health and everything, because lack of nutrition and all of those things can be linked to a lot of diseases, a lot of problems with hair and skin. Will also maintain like healthy energy level and everything, because vitamin E जैसा कि provides protection against illness and infections by improving immunity. Vitamin C helps to maintain the healthy bones and cartilage. Vitamin E enhances the skin and hair texture. It also has zinc, जो कि है vital for bone health in adults, and it promotes bone regeneration. It also has biotin that promotes metabolism, and also it supports the healthy blood sugar levels, and it like normally maintains a normal healthy hair and skin. Biotin is also necessary for the normal function of the nervous system, and also it helps in the biosynthesis of the fatty acids. इसको अपने डेली लाइफ में डालना बहुत ईजी है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बिकॉज इसका टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा है. इट्स लाइक अ स्वीट नाइस कैंडी, तो आपको ख़राब नहीं लगेगा. एक चूएबल गमी टाइप की है, फटाफट खत्म हो जाती है, एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी अफोर्डेबल प्राइस. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम आस्किंग यू टू स्टार्ट जस्ट इंक्लूडिंग इट इन योर मेक इट अ हैबिट ऑफ हैविंग these things, and just because the taste is good and everything, तो आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी इसमें आगे बढ़ने के लिए. And having said all of these things, this product is not intended to cure any of your problem or any of your disease and all of that. You should definitely ask your doctor or anything like that, and if you are under some prescribed medication or something like that, then definitely consult and then only go forward. Just because आपने वीडियो देखा है ज़रूरी नहीं है कि everybody has to take it, but definitely take prior information and everything and understand what you need, what you don't need. And if you have any strong allergies or anything like that, then definitely ask your doctor and all of that. All of them is mentioned over here with all the units and everything, which is the best part about them. So there is proper transparency when I'm talking about this Saturn brand. To be very honest, मुझे actually काफ़ी टाइम हो गया इस चीज़ को अपने रूटीन में डाले हुए. पहले I started actually with biotin gummies, and उसके बाद since the past 1-2 months I have been taking multivitamin gummies, and actually मैं इसका पैक ना ऐसे 2-3 पैकेट साथ में मंगवा लेती हूँ, because I love to stock it in and I know कि I will need it. ऐसा नहीं है कि it's going to give you like drastic effects or something like that, but it is definitely good for your overall health. Like overall texture of the hair or skin, it will definitely improve because of these things, but it has to be done through a long period of time. You cannot expect कि आपने एक हफ्ता खाया and आपको कोई result मिलेगा. So definitely go out there. I will leave the link down below for this one. So go out there and try one bottle for yourself. At least you will understand if you're liking it or not, or you will understand if it's working for you or not. Because we women, we definitely need more extra care because of a lot of things going on in our body because of the hormonal changes and everything. So there's so much going on in the body, so you definitely need some additional aid. And you can ask me any questions if you have down below in the comment section. And if you want me to review any other product from Saturn or any such product like this, supplements and all of that, I will definitely come up with that as well. I'll see you until next time. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.